what's up, welders? Welcome to another episode of Adventures in Welding. I'm Paul. Thanks for joining me today. Today we're going to talk about the ins and outs of butt joints. Alright, so as you can see here, I've got several coupons prepared to do some butt joints. This is mild steel. It's been prepped. This one has a V cut into it to almost a feather edge. This one has a slight bevel. This one has no bevel at all, just a complete flat weld. And these two are open root. So we're going to take a look at the ins and outs of these butt joints, different techniques. For instance, on the bevels, we'll do one with a dip, one with a lay wire. Same with the open root, and we'll attempt a complete fusion weld on the flush tacked piece. Split TIG 200 today. Pedal is on the foot. Control is on the foot pedal. We're in DC. 0.4 second pre-flow, about an 8-second post-flow. I've got my amperage set for about 60 amps. This is about 16 gauge mild steel. Using a number 17 torch with a number 10 cup. Yeah, number 10. I knew it said on there somewhere. With the jumbo gas lens and a 3/32 2% lanthanated tungsten. And I think I've got my flow set at about 25 CFA.
Alright, here we go with the fusion weld. You want to keep a tight arc gap. We'll move along as quickly as the puddle will allow. I'm not watching the arc. What I'm watching is the puddle to make sure it stays the same size, and I'm simply pushing it forward. That's really all there is to this. Alright, this one is the lay wire technique, and basically you lay the wire in the root or the groove or in the path of the weld. You must keep the tip of the wire pushed in to the leading edge of the puddle. That's the way it works. You keep it pushed in there the entire time you're welding. It looks like it's never moving, but I'm always putting just a slight amount of pressure on it to keep it moving along, and this creates a single long weld. It doesn't look like the stack of dimes at all. But this is a good technique. It's a solid technique, and it provides excellent penetration. This is the open root lay wire. And what I'm doing here is I have a 1/16 inch root gap, and I'm using a 3/32 wire.
So that's my ins and outs of butt welding video. Yeah, I ain't the greatest. I ain't bad either. I hope maybe you pick something up. Feel free to leave a comment, like, share, subscribe if you haven't. And I hope I see you again next time on Adventures in Welding.